Hello folks on YouTube. Here at City Walker we've been utilizing and collecting flashlights for as long as we can remember. Very useful devices in many situations and they are piling up. And a little while ago our friends over at History Hunter gave us a tip about the new flashlight being released. And we now have the box right in front of us. Let's rip off the plastic. As we flip open the main lid, we see the flashlight itself and the new lid covering some other items. We see a manual and a small leaflet. We then see a charging cable, and then we see the charger itself. It is then followed by a strong carrying strap, and finally a belt pouch to carry the flashlight in. The flashlight itself is very solidly built and it has an overwhelming feeling of quality. You can twist the end cap, which then reveals a charging port. A couple of close-ups of the business end. We will not be making a full review of this flashlight. It is enough to say that on its maximum settings, it gives off an insane blinding light. As always, thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.